Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grammarly for AI-powered writing automation in Docs. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To activate Grammarly for AI-powered writing automation in your documents, first, ensure you have a Grammarly account. Visit the Grammarly website and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Apps section from your dashboard. Here, you will find options to download Grammarly for various platforms. Select the version that matches your device and operating system. For Google Docs integration, ensure you are using the Google Chrome browser. Next, head over to the Chrome Web Store to find the Grammarly extension. Search for Grammarly in the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button to start the installation. After installation, you will see the Grammarly icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Now, open Google Docs in a new tab. Create a new document or open an existing one. You should see a pop-up asking for permission to access your Google documents. Click Allow to grant Grammarly access. Once allowed, you will notice Grammarly's features appear on the right side of your document. Start writing, and Grammarly will automatically provide suggestions for grammar, punctuation, and style. To customize Grammarly settings, click on the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. From here, you can select your writing goals and preferences. As you write, take advantage of the AI-powered suggestions to enhance your text. Review each suggestion carefully and make adjustments as needed. If you encounter any issues, check the Grammarly support page for troubleshooting tips. With Grammarly activated, you are now equipped to streamline your writing process effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.